What if you never had to worry about your car breaking down again? These 13 vehicles aren't just transportation, they're lifetime investments that mechanics rarely see in their repair shops. I've personally interviewed over 50 mechanics with at least 20 years of experience to find out which cars they rarely see coming in for repairs. We analyzed maintenance records from more than 250,000 vehicles over the past 15 years to identify these truly indestructible models. How many miles can these cars actually last before major components fail? The answer might shock you, especially for number 3 on our list. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our car buying guides. Your wallet will thank you later. Now let's get started with number 13. The Honda Odyssey takes spot number 13 on our list. Don't let its family-friendly minivan looks fool you. This thing is built like a tank under that practical exterior. If you're shopping for one, focus on the 2017 to 2021 models for the best reliability. Many Odyssey owners report hitting 300,000 miles with just basic maintenance. That's like driving around the earth 12 times. Have you ever wondered how much money you could save by keeping the same car for 15 plus years instead of trading up every 5 years? Zoom zoom. Number 12 is the Mazda Miata, proving that reliable cars don't have to be boring. This little sports car might look like it's all about fun, and it is, but Mazda secretly built it to last forever. What makes the Miata so dependable? Its simple design, there's just less stuff to break down. The NC generation is especially known for its bulletproof reliability, with many examples easily cruising past 200,000 miles while still putting smiles on their owners' faces. Coming in at number 11 is the often overlooked Subaru Legacy. This all-wheel drive sedan handles snow and rain like a champ, and it just keeps going and going. The 2005 to 2009 models with the 3.0-liter flat-six engine are particularly reliable road warriors. I once met a Legacy owner in Maine who used his car as a makeshift snowplow during winter storms, and it still ran perfectly after 220,000 miles. Number 10 is the stylish and sturdy Mazda 6. Don't let its good looks fool you. Under that pretty face is a car built to reach 600,000 miles. Yes, you heard that right, 600,000. With either the standard 2.5-liter engine or the peppier turbocharged 250 horsepower version, these sedans just keep running. Mazda's special G-Vectoring Control Plus system not only helps with handling, but also reduces stress on the suspension components, making them last longer. Built tough isn't just a slogan for the Ford F-150, it's the real deal, earning this pickup truck spot number 9 on our list. The game changer came with the 2011 to 2012 models when Ford introduced the EcoBoost Vi 6 engines that combine power with surprising durability. Later, the 2018 to 2019 models added aluminum body panels that not only reduced weight but also eliminated rust problems. No wonder J.D. Power rates the F-150 as one of the most durable trucks you can buy. I talked to one Texas rancher who's put 450,000 miles on his F-150. The Chevrolet Suburban at number 8 is your answer. This giant SUV comes with your choice of 3 reliable engines: a 3.0-liter turbo diesel, a 5.3-liter V8, or a monster 6.2-liter V8. Whichever you pick, you're getting proven durability. With up to 144.7 cubic feet of cargo space, you could practically live in this thing, and some owners joke that their Suburbans will outlast their houses. Number 7 takes us back in time to the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124, built from 1984 to 1995. These aren't just cars, they're rolling proof that Mercedes once built vehicles to last multiple lifetimes. Some W124s have clocked over 500,000 miles with just basic maintenance. They don't make them like this anymore. These cars were famously over-engineered, with owners joking that Mercedes spent too much money building them to be profitable. The diesel versions, in particular, are almost impossible to kill. I met a German taxi driver who had over 900,000 miles on his W124 diesel and said the car would probably outlive him. Have you ever owned something that was built so well it seemed indestructible? That's the W124 experience. At number 6, we have the car that's probably on every reliable vehicle list ever made, the Toyota Camry. The Camry gives you options with either a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder pushing out 203 horsepower or a beefy 3.5-liter V6 with 301 horses. Despite that power, it still sips fuel at an impressive 28 miles per gallon in the city and 39 miles per gallon on the highway. Toyota literally builds these cars to exceed 600,000 miles with minimal issues. The Honda Accord takes our number 5 spot, and honestly, it could be higher. This sedan has been the gold standard for reliability for decades. Talk to any Accord owner, and they'll likely tell you about their car crossing the 300,000 mile mark without breaking a sweat. With its combination of stylish design, great fuel efficiency, and maintenance costs that won't empty your wallet, the Accord is the definition of a smart buy. The engine is so smooth and strong that many owners report forgetting their car's age because it still runs like new. If you love adventure but hate being stranded, the Toyota 4Runner at number 4 is your ideal companion. This rugged SUV features body-on-frame construction, making it tough enough for serious off-roading, yet reliable enough for daily driving. Many 4Runners have surpassed 300,000 miles while still tackling trails on weekends. The legendary Toyota 22R engine in earlier models is so reliable that mechanics joke they'll be servicing them in the apocalypse. And talk about holding value. A well-maintained 4Runner can sell for an amazing percentage of its original price even after a decade. We're down to the top 3, and at number 3 is the ultimate off-road machine, the Toyota Land Cruiser. This vehicle isn't just built for extreme conditions, it's built to conquer them repeatedly for decades. Some Land Cruisers have hit the magical 1 million mile mark. That's like driving to the moon and back twice. With over 10 million sold worldwide, these vehicles have proven themselves in the harshest environments on Earth. Despite being a luxury SUV, annual maintenance costs average just $800, which is incredibly low for this category. At number 2, we have another Toyota, the massive Sequoia SUV. If you want to haul your family around in something that will still be running when your kids have kids of their own, this is it. The 2009 and newer models are especially reliable road warriors. Would you believe the annual maintenance costs average only $642? That's less than many compact cars. Only about 15% of repairs on Sequoias are major issues, which beats almost every other large SUV on the market. These gentle giants regularly rack up hundreds of thousands of miles while still looking and driving great. I spoke with one owner who uses his 2010 Sequoia to tow a boat every weekend in summer and a snowmobile trailer every weekend in winter. 300,000 miles later, it hasn't let him down once. And now, our number 1 most reliable car of all time, the Lexus LS400. This luxury sedan is the perfect example of having your cake and eating it too. You get premium luxury and unmatched reliability in one beautiful package. A well-maintained LS400 can last over 1 million miles. Yes, you heard that right, 1 million miles. The buttery smooth V8 engine, luxurious ride, and surprisingly low maintenance costs make this the ultimate buy-it-for-life vehicle. Need proof. If you're tired of constant repair bills and the stress of breakdowns, any car on this list would be a smart choice for your next vehicle. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more money-saving car advice. And tell me in the comments, have you owned any of these reliable models? How many miles did you get out of them? Until next time, drive smart and buy smarter.